Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today I will be starting off trying to vlog each day and put it together in one video.
Together we are Artwork Fly.
It is Monday. Put it across the screen there. If you don't want to watch the full video, timestamp is below. I'm going to try and get my kids' homework done. So I have a number of things to print and to assist them with their homework. So all of this is what I printed. Alright guys, it's now 11:16. It's now 11:16 and I'm editing a video. Guys, you can see this on camera. No man, you guys see this? Faith as a cabbage seed can move mountains. Look on the cabbage seed. Okay guys, so I'm planning to do some planting. So I'm gonna use these cups for now. So these I got from Amazon and it has a lot in there. This one I got from Temu. Right, these are grape seeds. Now I have some others here. I'm only going to plant a few of them because some of them I don't really eat them, but probably I can try or just leave it for next time or something like that. So right now this is cucumber, or what Jamaicans say cucumber. This one is spinach. And remember, there's different types of spinach, different family of spinach, different families for cucumber, cucumber, whatever you want to call it, right? These are what I'm going to plant, and these are the cup. It's what, 14, 15? 1, 2, 3. This is 15. So now guys, what I'm going to do, I am going to label it. Last time I did not label it and I totally forgot what was in each container. So now I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take one, have some sticky notes here, and I'm going to put tape over it, but not now. I don't have any tape right now. So I'm going to put grape. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the rest and show you guys. I'm gonna try and pull a few just to see how the seeds look, but this is how it's looking so far guys. So I have this thing here that can pierce the bottom of it, so I'm gonna try and do that now. It is, and I have to be careful. Here it is guys. I don't know if you can see the holes. Yes, there it is. Alright, one down, 50 more to go. Alright guys, so that's it for all the cups. All the cups now has holes at the base. Alright, so that's it for tonight. So wait a minute, let's see how some of these seeds look guys. I'm sure you guys are curious how a cabbage seeds look. If you haven't researched it, I'm sure most of you are probably curious how a cabbage seed looks. So let's open one for you guys. No man, Faith has a cabbage seed. Guys, you can see this on camera. No man. Who wants to know how spinach seed looks? Let me see. It feels bigger than the cabbage seed. What do they look like? Dirty doodle so like droppings. Alright, here it is. Let's find out how carrot seeds look. I know probably persons here do farming and stuff like that, so I don't have an idea. But me, no sir, I'm just trying out a little thing, you know. That's a carrot seed look. No sir, this smaller than the first one, guys. This one don't have not even a body on it. Look on it. Alright, so since I have broccoli in my hand, I'm gonna do broccoli first. Oh, broccoli look like the first one. Broccoli look like... No man, then sure they don't mix up the seed. Look at this one. Lettuce. Let's see how a lettuce seed look. The lettuce is just leaf. This one is the scallion. That's a scallion seed. Look at this. Probably half the size of the cabbage because it doesn't have that roundness. It's just kind of flat on one side. Alright, so guys, those are the seeds. Alright, so tomorrow I'm gonna try and get some dirt and put in these cup here and put the seeds in, so you guys will see that clip. So stay tuned. Bye guys. Today is Thursday, and on Thursday today I have class, so I'm thinking about bringing you guys with me. I'm working on some information that I want to bring to the class. Let me show you the information that I am preparing for the class. Alright guys, I have these designs, and by the way, it's for a child. She has some scrape and paint thing, so I want her to choose one of these to paint. So I have that. Now I have some printed works that she can choose from. Remember, it's a child, you have to give them the option to, to express themselves how they want to express themselves, or they will get a bit frustrated or don't want to do the work. So I have some options for her. All right, so I'm going through some of these with her, but I'm trying to make it for her age appropriate. All right, so that is what I'm doing with her. All right guys, so I'm working on that. All right, so what I'm planning to do now is to wash my hair, even though I haven't gotten to wash my hair. It's in an awful state right now. So I'm gonna steam it and wash it and go on live and comb my hair. So let's see how that works out, and stay tuned for that. I'm gonna take you on the journey today. Hopefully, let's see. All right guys, I'm sure most of you have seen this video by now. This is a video where I steamed my hair. If you haven't, go ahead and watch that video. Thank you. Now this is what the child did. Not telling you the age or anything else. At the road. Look at the road. Look at so.
B&B, you need to pay the driver.
Look there.
Passengers, them are your customer, them cross the water.
So me have to pay $200 come back and $200 go. So this taxi man charging $200 to cross the water. Just imagine, $200 to cross the water, and sometimes he charges a little bit less when you're coming back from the plaza there. Jamaicans know if you hustling, man. She's peace. They're right there, so to just get some passengers, and all he had to do was to reverse. And then if he get another passenger, he would just drive in. $200. So today is Saturday, and I'm going to the market. Today we're going to calculate how much I spend at the supermarket. Alright guys. Alright, so I usually buy 10 of those Monday to Friday, 2 kids. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the other stuff. Let's go guys. So this.
Oh, the price, the mirror and the nuggets.
No, this is £2. I always buy £2. I don't cook a lot, so it doesn't make any sense. And plus I still have chicken in the fridge. Alright, so nuggets and fries. Coconut milk, guys, 3 of them. Really don't have the time to do much, so what I do for the foil paper, I mentioned it in one of my videos, that during the week I would use like foil papers and put like fry foods on it, just like if you got jerk pan place right there, so then we put the food in a foil paper and give you. Yeah, it's the same thing. Anything I fry, I would put it in the foil paper and give my kids, and just throw away the foil paper. So yeah, other persons would buy like paper plates and stuff like that. Look here, I think I waste some money for paper plates, because with the foil paper you can determine how much you want. All right, I guess this would be the best choice. So this one here, no, I usually buy this one, but I'm trying to cut off all the sweets for my kids, so I'm using this one now, and then I can add the sugar as necessary. Okay. I don't know why I'm back down here, so but I'm gonna take up chamomile if I see it. That tea is delish. I'm not seeing it right now, probably next year, but I ain't going there, so it's gonna be for next week then. I'm not going next year. Guys, these I started to buy the soy one for my son, but I'm not seeing it. I think it look like me I could go next door, guys. I don't want to go next door, you know, honestly. No, I have a lot of these, but I still stock up. So anything can happen. Just always stock up on your tin foods. Alright, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. And I usually buy tang and swizzle. I don't want to turn the phone right now. I usually buy tang and swizzle, but cutting off the sweets, guys, so we're gonna leave that. Right, so now I'm starting to deep fry stuff. Usually I buy this size, but I'm starting to deep fry things now, so I'm using this one. Okay, this one, I need ketchup. I don't remember if I need barbecue sauce, but just in case, I'm gonna take up the barbecue sauce. And this here. Vinegar. I don't remember if I need vinegar. I'm gonna buy it. It doesn't hurt to buy it, because if I have at home, I can just put that down for later and don't buy it any next week. I'm running low on black pepper. My kids usually like the soup, but I'm taking them off the ramen because I heard it's not good. I've been seeing a number of videos with them. Alright, these are the toilet paper that I buy. Wipes, I'm not seeing the wipes that I buy, so I'm just gonna buy anything. One here. Napkin. This. Smell the eggs before I buy. Let me know in the comment section those who do that, or am I crazy? Let me know. Alright, so I'm only gonna buy 3. So you guys can see everything that I'm buying. Some of it was not on the vlog. Jamaica is expensive, guys. You have to have money to come here. Alright guys, so these are the snacks in here. Cookies and cheese sticks. No, not cheese sticks, potato sticks. Alright, 10 potato sticks, 5 of these. My son doesn't like that one. 5 of this and 10 of that one. Up here is everything that I got. Scallion and thyme and tomato, garlic. Alright, so these are the costs, and I actually buy scallion and garlic separately, and that came to about $750. So $750 plus this cost, and this cost is equal to 27,000 mash.